Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. I've just acquired this lovely Ford Kuga, finished in lovely black. Got the front park distance control, lovely clean alloy wheels. Colours absolutely popping, as you can see. Previously glassed to the rear, facelift model, twin exhausts, reverse camera, reverse park distance control. Absolutely lovely condition. Boot area, absolutely spot on. Half leather interior, rear carpet mats, not been messed about with in there by kids. You got electric windows, electric mirrors, no wear on the seat bolster, 6-speed gearbox. It's got Parktronic, cruise control, 75,206 miles. Absolutely lovely condition. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.